Hello, and welcome to the next Train Sim World 6 video. So, in the last one we did the Midland Main Line, but today we're going to the land of the Gestapo, America, where they shoot you on sight for expressing an opinion. So, this is the Morristown Line, and this comes with Train Sim World 6. So we're going to be doing this one. Teaching train. Take a ride along the line, learning facts in your reduced formation. Oh god. It's just like a death by PowerPoint thing. So, grab your ticket, get in line, and let's begin. Right. Hey, you boys. We're in the United States of Freedom Land. And what in goddamn nation are you doing here? Oh, we're Dover. I don't see any southeastern services, do you, mate? Do you know what the time the next St. Pancras service is? Oh, it's not that Dover. Have you ever been to Dover? Mate, I've just fucking... What? Nice to have you on board. You'll be riding with me today. Oh, that's Mr. Hill. Someone's been watching too much Hamburger Hill on Sunday afternoons. I'll go and make myself comfy. See you in a minute. See, in America, if they saw a coloured person driving a train, right, they would not be having it. They'd call the ICE. They'd call the ICE. That's what they do. They get the ICE people in. Says, you can't drive that over there, boy. Because obviously, that's what they are now. America's just basically just fucking fascists. Because they're idiots who voted for that dumb fuck Trump in as president for a second term. Of course it's electrified. Is it really electrified? It's not like... Look. Why are all these pantograph wires there? Of course it's electrified, you fuck. I mean, hang on a minute. See, I've been watching Ian's... Well, I say I've been watching Ian's stuff. I haven't been paying attention for most of it, to be honest. I just have it on the background. Open. Do you open these? I forget now. Does that mean it'll work? I've no idea. I've no idea, love. I've no idea. I better close these because I've no idea. I don't know American trains. All I know is that they exist. Neutral. Alright. Alright, yes, it's pretty good. Right. Now, set the automatic. Alright. Alright, we need the headlights on though, don't we? The headlights are not on. I don't know how the fuck you work this locomotive. That's the desk light. That's the... marker lights. Yes. Oh no, gauge light. What the fuck's gauge lights? Hang on a minute. How do you turn the tail lights off? I don't know. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, that was close. How do you turn the bell off? Where's the bell? Where's the fucking bell thing? Look cooler vai Jesus. Hang on a minute, I'll be right with you. Where the fuck's the bell? How the fuck did you do this in America? There is no button that says there we go. We got there in the end. Why does it keep activating the fucking bell? The nerve. Turn on. Oh, hang on a minute. But I don't know what the fuck this is. Hang on. Now, Ian is going to say, TK, you haven't put the safety systems on. First of all, shut the fuck up. Second of all, I don't know how to put the fucking things on. Alright. Is that it? How the fuck do you do this? I honestly... Why are we like going at 1 mile an hour? Oh yeah, 'cause it's America. Just like their economy. Non-existent. This is the processing speed of Donald Trump's brain. 9.3 miles an hour. They don't even do it in miles an hour. They just do it in kilometers. They do it in American. Speak English, mate. We fucking invented the language, not you. If you are American, if you are watching this, guten Tag. Oh, Jesus. Oh, kurwa, Jesus. Hang on. Cut in. Hang on. I got it. Cut in. Okay. So we got the ATC. Cut in. I think we have all the safety systems cut it back in now. Oh, this is fun. Oh, we need a thumbnail anyway. So, I'm pressing the wrong button as I normally do. I think that'll do. That bell's gonna piss me off. Cause that's all you do in America, you just do that, don't you? So, it's the 28th of January when I'm recording this, so quite a number of things are going to happen. There's, the 5 stations in the West Midlands have yet to open, so those stations are, just to remind you, Pineapple Road, yes, that is the name of a station, Moseley Village, Kings Heath, Darlaston, and Willenhall. There's a new tram stop that's meant to open soon, called Magna, based in Sheffield. Actually between Sheffield and Rotherham. On the Super Tram network. Oh, actually, no, they don't. They don't say that in up in Yorkshire. They say, it's between. It's on the tram stop. But yes. 15231 will be in preservation. Well, she is in preservation. We're now in full power mode. Yes. I tell you what, this thing's really shifts. What do you mean? What? 54? What do you mean 54 miles an hour? Oh, yes, I know. God, this American loco is weird. It's weird. I wonder if page down does anything. I'm just gonna start pressing random buttons now. Ah, fuck, we're standing. Fuck. So yeah, there's that tram stop, the 5 stations West Midlands that I'm interested in. What else is interesting? The new Piccadilly line stock, which are in testing, so they'll be entering service soon. Chiltern Railways have brought out their new, well, I say new trains. They're replacing the Mark III local haul sets with Mark 5As from Trans-Pennine Express, but they look pretty old. They look decent. Dickhead did a video about it. Now, when I say dickhead, there is a reason for calling him a dickhead, right? And I'll explain. Because this individual, Sheldon, Simon Trains, right? This is the same idiot who has compared the 150 Sprinters with Ryanair. Who the fuck do you think you are? Bastard. I'm gonna fucking have him. I'm gonna fucking have him. Like, when I mean I'm gonna fucking have him, I mean I'm gonna fucking have him. Because that's not on. Who in their right mind would compare a Sprinter, a 150 Sprinter, right, to a fucking Ryanair? He should be comparing it to cross country being overcrowded, or the 720 with Greater Anglia with their, what's it called, 3x2 seating. Fuck you, Simon. Bastard. Fucking the cheeky cunts. Fucking hell. Now, I don't understand the American signalling. Yes, I'm going down to 35. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it does it for me. I think the it's alright, I'm learning. This American train's got an attitude. I'm too busy ranting. It's Sheldon's fault. Fuck you, Sheldon. Bastard. The fucking... That is the lowest... That is probably the lowest thing he could do. Oh shit, we're meant to stop here. Well, we haven't. Hey! Oh! Too busy ranting and it's alright, I can fix this. It's alright. No, not emergency. Now the emergency fucking brake's been added. How do I the doors won't open. Oh. Okay, now the doors are unlocked. It's alright, nothing to say. It's just I'm getting the hang of it. Alright, people, don't worry. It would help, wouldn't it, if I put the thing on correctly. See? Nothing happened. Fuck this bell, man. Right, so as I was saying, Ryanair, right, they overcrowd and overcharge, right, just like cross-country do. So he should have compared it to cross-country. But no, he had the fucking cheek, the audacity, the fucking nerve, the cunt, to compare it with 150 Sprinters. I seek an audience with Ian, right? He's not going to do it because he's a bastard himself. But ban him. Ban Simon for a fucking Train Sim World video. Just fucking ban him. Evil. I don't want to do another Sprinter. I will not do another Sprinter recording unless if it's just me. The only way I'm doing the next Sprinter recording, right, is if it's just me or Ian. Me and Ian. Not Sheldon. Fuck him. Not a fucking chance. Oh no. We're not. How the fuck do you stop this train?
This station stop is Mount Tabor.
This ain't a station, is it? Mate, this is not a station. This is the fucking level crossing. Right. Release. Full power. Let's fucking go, lads. In your own time, please. It is a station. Hang on a minute. Where's the other platform? Is it just one platform here? But no, the only way I'm doing the next Sprinter recording, right? The only way I'm doing it is if it's just me that's doing it, or me and Ian. I'm not doing it with Simon. Fuck him. I will not have him shit talk Sprinters. There is a fucking line, Simon, and you didn't even cross it. You fucking leaped, fucking flew past it. Honest to God, man. 1/5 crammed like a Ryanair service. Oh, I've heard some terrible comparisons from Sprinters, but fucking Jesus Christ, there is a fucking line. I can't believe he said that. I can't believe he said it. Kurwa Jesus. I'm gonna have to message Ian because that's fucking right pissed me off. It's not even funny. It's not even a funny piss me off. This is like a serious I'm pissed off. He's not even gonna say sorry because he'll just be like, I'm really, really sorry. Because that's how much of a Jerry fucker he is. He doesn't apologise to the fucking cheerleaders, I've noticed. Mind you, what's he gonna be sorry for? So we can go to 50, can we? 9, we can go to 60. Oh, we can go to 60. Yes, full power. Come on, come on, come on. Scheiße. Howdy, folks. We gotta go back down. Oh, we gotta go back down to 50. Aha, damn. Is this how you drive? Is this how you drive one of them American train locomotives on a railroad? Stupid fucking Americans, honestly. The whole lot of them at this point are just idiots. The only sensible Americans are the ones that are actually trying to leave, which I don't blame them. Mate, I'm at 50, you fuck. Fuck off. Oh yeah, yeah, so someone watched, so the person I am calling out, they watched my video down the line recently. I've seen their email. They send me emails which automatically go in the spam folder because I don't see it on my emails. I have to check the spam folder every 5 minutes to see if it's there. Because, you know, I'm one of these people that check my spam folders just in case. You know, why not? It's my ADHD. I gotta check everything. Yeah, and this mad woman just put in. Well, I say mad woman. I know this person. She's like. I have never seen anyone so narcissistic in my life, except for that person. And she's so full of herself. Now, when I say full of herself, I mean she believes she knows everything, and that I am defenseless to, you know, say anything bad. Like, incredible. It's honestly just, it's incredible how she does these stuff. How she doesn't get bored. Because I keep telling this person, I want nothing to do with you, I don't want any contact, and yet she just persists. You know, talking to me about mental health, and my mental health is all over the place. There is no mental health, it's just dumb. Right, there. Oh, so we just go to the next station, do we? Oh, okay. We forgot to sound the fucking bell. Ah, whatever. Onwards. So yeah, they mentioned in the email that my condition, they think it's basically nonsense, and that they're just speculatives. It's not speculatives. I have these conditions. I was diagnosed with Asperger's, well, a type of autism called Asperger's. They're all part of now what is called the autistic spectrum condition, ASC. So I have an autistic spectrum condition. Yeah, I am neurodiverse. You can clearly tell you could tell if someone's neurodiverse by their thinking, their behaviour, their body language, and just experience. After all, I am neurodiverse. You don't need to be a fucking psychiatrist to fucking know these things. It's like she is suggesting that the only people in the world that can understand what people are like as people, yeah? Oh, you're not neurodiverse. How do you know, or Yizzle, how do you know if you're neurodiverse? Because I know I'm neurodiverse. How could you tell how could you say to people you're neurodiverse? Well, because I know what it's like to be neurodiverse, because I am neurodiverse, you fucking narcissistic idiot. Honestly. Right, that's that. Well, I say rant over, I'll probably rant about it later on. Ah, it's a vacuum brake. I see. It's a type of vacuum brake. Okay. That's clever. It's like a Class 68. They have vacuum brakes. Right. Oh, Tika, you can't do that. You can't crawl to the marker. If you can do it and say, oh, Tika, you can't red card me for that, then I'll do the fucking same back. Oh shit. No, not fucking... The Morristown station has 2 low-side platforms and a large station building. What? What? Yeah, it has 2 stations. It has 2 platforms. I'm not fucking stupid. Oh no. 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 Um. Okay, there we go. And we're off, like a rocket. The fastest shuttle service in history. Yeah. I think it's... For someone who's training to be a psychologist, I think it's a bit silly, and well, I don't think it's a bit silly, I think it's fucking stupid that they come back to me with a giant, massive essay. They come back to me with a massive, pointless essay, right, suggesting that my, you know, that I'm not neurodiverse, and yet I am neurodiverse. I have ASC, autistic spectrum condition, Asperger's syndrome. This is the same woman who put me down as 36 on the autistic spectrum back in 2013 during when I went through when I was being tested for autism. That's right. Yeah. I remember these things. Sticks in my head like fucking glue, super glue. It's just there. Honestly, there is a reason why I don't talk. And then, again, she thinks she honestly has in her head that I live in a bad environment, and that where I live and the people I live with are, you know, dragging me down or giving me a negative impact. They're so not. It's a fucking ego. Because she is such a sore loser, right? She lost by her own problems, right? She lost the 2012 court case badly because of her own stupidity, right? If she didn't act like such an idiot, then she probably would have kept us as her prisoners in her house, right, in her custody. But no, what she did was she made up a load of shit, asked the most ridiculous questions to me other parents, my dad, right, and as a result, the court just said,
Stop is Convent Station.
I don't give a fuck what station this is. The court said, okay, she is not fit to be the custody parent, so Dad, take it away. You look after them now. And I'll tell you what, he's done a very good job. I am a lot happy with living here in Tewkesbury with my dad. than I have been with living with my mother in 8 fucking years of living in Kidderminster. Surrounded by fucking what I could only describe as a bunch of lunatics. It's like being in a funny farm, except that it's not funny. Yeah. Watch, she'll send me a fucking snappy email saying, "Oh, how dare you say all these bad stuff about us in, you know, living in Kidderminster and all this. Oh, your dad's making you say this shit." No, it's not. This is how I feel. I have a right to have I have a right to have feelings. I have a right to just, well, yeah. I have rights. You don't control us anymore. You lost. And because of your sad sore loser attitude, you can't accept it, so now you just make shit up. Studying psychology just so you could try and get an edge on us. I mean, that's just pathetic. It just shows you who the real villains are in this world, eh? It is scary that you realise as you get older that no one's perfect, and not even your parents are perfect, and I admit that. Well, with my mother anyway. I mean, my dad and my stepmom, they're not perfect either, but we get on. My stepmom has been a much more mother-like figure than my actual biological mother will ever be, if that makes sense, because my stepmom doesn't go around beating me with a fucking belt, shouting at me, demanding high expectations of me for school, you know, forces me to do this, forces me to do that, doesn't punish me spitefully, doesn't drag my sister to Disneyland Paris without me, while she sends me on a fucking school trip to fucking Austria, out of spite. Oh, you can make friends in Austria, Thomas, it's great! You'd love it! Yeah? Or they go on the Eurostar, on my 13th birthday. Stepmom, right, they don't talk shit about my, they don't call Dad the homebreaker. They don't call Agnes, my mum, the homebreaker, right? Or pig in Polish, świnia, right? But I know someone who talks bad about me dad and me stepmom and says that they're toxic and that they're bad and that you can't live with them. And that, you know, he's a womanizer and all this. I know who does this for 8 fucking years. Yeah? 8 years. And for some people, they're not going to understand what it's like. But it really is like a war zone. It's a war zone of the mind. I'm surprised I haven't ended up in a fucking asylum. Because if we had lost the court case and Agnes, my mum, did gain control over us still after 2012, I would have either run away or I would have killed myself. I would. I just would. Because I just couldn't take it anymore. So I'm glad, in a way, that. Well, I'm just glad we had a very good outcome and that we went to live with Dad and actually be with parents, my dad and my stepmom, who are much more loving, caring, supporting than well, she will ever be. They don't go around proving to people that, oh, look at me, I'm psychiatrist, I do psychology, look at me, I'm very clever, I am above all of you. Because I study psychology, that means I know better than you. They don't go around doing that. But she does. That's just who she is. I'm getting the hang of doing the brakes now. Well, I say that. Fuck you hell, I say that. We've established the cab light. West of Summit, the Gladstone branch diverts and the line crosses the Passaic River for the second time as it enters the Well, the what? The Chatham? Ah, yes, we got our own Chatham in the UK, you know. It's in a lovely place called the backyard of England, called the South East. Fucking allotment garden that is in. There are nice parts of Kent, I must admit, like what's a nice part of Kent? Oh, it was on the tip of my tongue and I forgot. Folkestone? No, not Folkestone. Folkestone, nice. Dover? Yes, we have our own Dover. I'm just waiting. I am waiting for that all-important email. She's gonna say, "Oh, you're lying. You're lying," and then she'll just put in like a massive paragraph just trying to explain in her psychology terms that what I'm doing is wrong. I mean, she wants to embarrass herself. Fucking let her embarrass herself. Not the first time. Oh God. I just completely ignore it these days. I'm learning to not look at my spam box in the emails. I'm learning to ignore it slowly. It's an ongoing process, but I am learning to stop. And any parcel she sends us or letter through the post, we don't even open it anymore. We just throw it away, or just donate it to a food bank if there's any food in it. Because we don't want it. We don't want anything from this person. Why would we want to have anything to do with someone who's caused not just me, but my sibling, my younger sister, right? My sister, and my dad, and my stepmom, and the rest of my family, a load of fucking problems for 20 years. Why would we want anything? Why would we want to receive anything from this person who's caused me and my family a load of problems for pretty much all of my life? I mean, I don't see a good reason. I see no reason, in fact. I mean, their argument is, I am your mother? So fucking what? It's just a fucking title. Doesn't mean anything. Huh? What? 30? You didn't say 30 on the board, did you? You said 50. Mind you, it is a yellow signal. Yeah, that makes sense. It's a yellow, so I assume that makes sense. See, if we were in Germany, the sleeper would have kicked in, and it would just be a pain to get it back up and running again. Ian! But no! In America, you get a second chance. Oh, yeah, yeah. I don't understand this. Why are we limited to... Why is it always like 29? Why can't it just be 30 like in England? Oh yeah, because we're not in England, are we? We're in fucking... What's it called? A place. Can't I just be like 30? Because look, 30 and it's classified as speeding, even though the line speed is 30. But they always do it by the 9. Which means some line speeds in America have a speed limit of 69 miles an hour. Which is nice. So, just after this signal, we're going to have to slow down to 14 miles an hour. Oh, I have to slow down to 15 miles an hour. No, we slow down to 15 at this signal. No, we slow down to 20 at this signal. I'm at 15, you pillock! Fuck off! God. Right. Now I know for the future. You need to slow down to... Yeah. When you see a yellow signal, you slow down to a certain speed and then you slow down even further. From 30 down to 20... From 29 to 19. And then, yeah. See? Unlike Ian, who say, "Oh, it's the game's fault." It's this Sifa. It's the game's fault. It's the game's fault. Sifa's fault. Fuck off. Research, my friend. Research, my friend. Yes, I'll do it. Full break. Oh, that'll do. That'll do. That'll do just fine. That would. Summit, a major node along the line, features 2 high platforms with station building located above track and glass over above platforms. Some weekday local service terminate and originate here. Do they? Oh, that's it. We finished. I don't think we've got that platinum. I don't think we've got that platinum. If we have, the game is fucked. And I mean fucked. The game is fucked. So, thanks for watching. Hang on. Speeding. We speeding 0. I'm sorry. Apparently, according to the speedometer, we did actually overspeed. With the doing 30 and not, you know, for fuck's sake, man. Correct setup, not complete. Okay, that's fair. I don't know how the train. I don't know how. I've never driven that locomotive before, so I can't defend myself against that. We did use the safety system. Look, see, safety systems. Yes, we did it. On time bonus. Okay, well. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. Check out my other channel. We have members on the other channel now, if you're interested. But no, we'll see you in the next one, which is we're back in Germany. the never Dresden. So yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah, bye.